What if you could already nail small to mid club gigs with paying low? But what do those people get who pay little more than double? Do I really? In this short video, we will quickly check out the difference between Resolume Arena and Resolume Avenue so that you can decide, do you really need to pay big? Hi, my name is Junaid Sabir Ahmed, and if you are new, welcome to this channel full of amazing VJ tips and documentaries. Resolume Arena and Resolume Avenue are both video mixing and performance software developed by Resolume. So first, similarities. Everything from the interface to effects to shortcuts to workflow, all identical, all except few options. Coming to that. So if you want to start using from Avenue, you can also operate Arena. That's awesome, right? However, there are some key differences between these two. Resolume Arena is the full-featured version of the software and includes all the tools, all the features available in Resolume Avenue. That makes Avenue a stripped-down version of Arena that is designed to be more affordable and accessible for the beginners or hobbyist VJs. Capabilities. Resolume Arena has more advanced capabilities and better suited for professional VJs who need to handle more complex and demanding shows, whereas Avenue is more suitable for beginners and VJs who are just starting out. Outputs. Arena supports multiple outputs, letting you to send visuals in multiple screens or projectors. On the other hand, Avenue is limited to single output. Price. Needless to say, Resolume Arena is more expensive to Avenue, reflecting the advanced features and capabilities. User interfaces. Both Arena and Avenue has similar and identical interface, but Arena has more options and advanced features than Avenue. Finally, your choice between Arena and Avenue depends on your specific needs and requirements as a VJ. If you are a beginner or hobbyist, Avenue may be a good starting point. And if you are a pro and have more advanced requirements, Arena may be the better choice. Hit a like, maybe subscribe as well. More videos on the world of VJs and many tips coming up soon. See you next time.